Dictionary. At dictionary. In a general context, snore refers to the loud and often rhythmic sound produced during sleep when air flows through relaxed tissues in the throat, causing them to vibrate. Snoring is a common phenomenon, and it can vary in intensity from a soft, gentle sound to a loud and disruptive noise. While occasional snoring is typically harmless, chronic and loud snoring can be a sign of underlying sleep-related issues, such as sleep apnea, which may require medical attention. Snoring can also affect the quality of sleep for both the person snoring and their sleeping partner, often prompting efforts to find remedies or solutions to reduce or eliminate it.